Good morning, everyone. It rained a lot last night here in New York, so the flowers in my yard are in full bloom this morning. Today, I'm gonna make baked apple cinnamon donuts for breakfast. You can enjoy these flavorful donuts with a cup of coffee or milk as a simple breakfast. Of course, they can be a great snack too. This time, I will prepare wet ingredients. I'm gonna add one whole apple in the batter. I put the donut pans on a baking sheet to prevent the bottom of the donut from getting too dark. It is easy to drop the batter if you use 2 spoons. Fill the donut pans with 80% full. The warm cinnamon smell fills the entire house. It is crispy outside and moist inside. And I can see apples in the donut. You can make the donuts in advance and freeze them in a zipper bag. Heat up the frozen donuts in a toaster, air fryer, or oven. I hope you will enjoy the donuts as my family did. Thank you for watching and see you next time.